welcome back. How are you today? I hope you are good and safe at all times. Okay, today students, we will discuss about the OA and OW phonics sounds. Okay, and now we will discuss about the OW words. So students, are you ready? Okay, yes, I am. Okay, very good. Before we start, I want you to watch first a video clip about the OW words. Okay, let's begin.
Let's learn word families with O words. O words make the sound O. O. Let's practice O words together. B. O. B. O. Bow. Bow. Cur. O. Cur. O. Crow. Crow. Gull. O. Gull. O. Glow. Glow. Grr. O. Grr. O. Grow. Grow. O. O. Low. Low. O. O. Mo. Mo. O. O. Row. Row. Sul. O. Sul. O. Slow. Slow. Sn. O. Sn. O. Snow. Snow. Thur. O. Thur. O. Throw. Throw. T. O. T. O. Toe. Toe. Great job!
Okay, students, did you watch the video? Okay, very good. Now we will read the OW words, examples of OW words. Okay, let's start from this one first. This one. Okay, the first one is bow. W. Bow. Next is row. W. Row. The next one is low. W. Okay, the next one is mow. W. Okay, the next one is own. The second one is toe. W. Okay. The next one is blow. W. Okay. The last is bowl. W. Okay. So we will read this one for this one. Okay. The next example is snow. Okay. Snow. The next one is arrow. Arrow. The next one is below. Below. The next one is fellow. Fellow. Okay, the next one is follow. Follow. The next one is hollow. Hollow. The next one is pillow. Okay, pillow. Okay, this is the next one. Crow. Flow. Flow. Glow. Glow. The next one is grow. Grow. The next one is know. Okay, the next one is show. Show. Okay, the next one is slow. Next one is window. Okay, window. Okay, the next one is yellow. Yellow. Okay, this one, students, this is some also vocabulary words on OW. Okay, these are the examples. Okay, we have the pole, the owl, the town, so, crown, how, bow, powder, meow, towels, and grow. Okay, for this one, students, let the teacher ask you about some vocabulary words, and you try to make a sentence using it. Okay, for example, you can you use snow in a sentence? Can you use snow in a sentence? This one? Okay, I will give one sentence and you create your own. Okay, for this one is snow. Okay, today is snowing or snow. Today, the weather today is snowing, like that. How about the no? This one, the yellow. Okay, can you use that in a sentence? Okay, I will give another example. For example, is the sun is color yellow. Okay, one more time. The sun is color yellow. Okay, now you try, students, to read that one, and you try to make a sentence using our vocabulary words or the phonics words or sounds about OW words. Okay. Okay, this one also, students, you can, there are many vocabulary words on OW words, vocabularies like this. We have the boat, the oak, the oats, coat, coal, bow, toast, toad, road, goat, row, toe, blow, bowl, crow, hoe, toe, window, arrow, snow. Like this one, students. We have many examples of it. Okay, students, that is it for now. I hope you learned in our vocabularies, words, or discussion for today about the OA and OW words. Okay, students, that's it. That is for now. See you again next time, and always remember to take care of yourself. Okay. See you again next time, students. Goodbye.